Is AI coming for your job? That's a $1 billion question every software engineer is asking at the current time. You see tools like Devin, GitHub, Copilot that write entire block of code and you start to wonder, am I going to be obsolete? The answer is it's not that simple. AI isn't here to replace thoughtful problem solving software engineers. It's here to replace mediocrity. And today on Future Tech Bytes, I'm going to give you 5 concrete tips to make sure you are not just surviving but actually thriving in this new era. Let's get started. So, tip number 1, master the fundamentals, not just the frameworks. Look, frameworks like React, Angular, Django will come and go, but the core principle, they are timeless. I'm talking about data structure, algorithms, system design, and network protocols. And an AI can spit out reactive components, but can it design a scalable, fault tolerant microservices architecture from scratch? Not yet. AI is great at what? But it's often lack why. Why is a hash map of one average time complexity better here than a sorted array of log n? Why we use a message queue in this system? This is a deep understanding is your moat. It's what separates a coder from engineers. So let's talk about actionable steps. Spend 1 or 2 hours a week on fundamental concept. Use a lead code, read system design case studies, or pick up a classic computer science book. Let's go to tips number 2. Tips number 2. Become an AI augmented engineer. This is the most important mindset shift. Don't see AI as a competitor. See it's an most powerful tool you have ever been given. The engineers who will win are the ones who learn to leverage AI to become a 10x more productive. Use it for a boilerplate code, writing unit tests, refactoring complex functions, or even explaining a piece of legacy code you have never seen before. Master the art of prompt engineering. Learn to ask the AI the right questions to get the best result. You are no longer just a coder, you are a pilot, and AI is your co pilot. So, what's the actionable steps? Integrate an AI tools like GitHub Copilot into your daily workflow for 1 week. At the end of the week, write down the 3 ways it made you faster, effective. Moving to our tips number 3. So, what a T-SEP means. Imagine the letter T. The vertical bar is your deep expertise, your specialty, like backend development in Go. The horizontal bar represents your broader knowledge in other areas, product management, UI UX principles, business strategy, and communications. AI can write a code, but it can't sit in a meeting with the product manager and stakeholders to truly understand customer pain points. It can't mentor a junior developer. These human centric skills are becoming more valuable than ever. The more you understand the business context, why you are building something, the more invaluable you become. What are the actionable steps here? Take a product manager out for a coffee, like maybe a virtual or real. Ask about their process, or volunteer to lead a meeting or a project demo to practice your communication skills. This is gonna be very valuable for you. Moving to our tips number 4. Embrace perpetual learning and build in public. The pace of technology isn't slowing down. You have to be a lifelong learner, but don't just consume but create. The best way to learn is by building. Start a side project using a technology you are curious about, and here is the key: build it in public. Tweet about your progress, write a blog post on Medium or your own site about the challenges you faced. Post your code on GitHub. This does two things. One, it keeps you accountable and it's built your personal brand. It shows potential employers that you are passionate and proactive. What's the actionable steps here? Start one small project this month. It could be a simple AI power app using an open AI API. Document your journey in a blog post or a series of tweets. Tips number 5. Find your niche and specialize. And finally, in a world where AI can do general coding tasks well, specialist will command a premium. A full stack developer is great, but AI ML engineers specialize in natural language processing for fintech. It's even better. Cloud engineer is good, but cloud security engineer with the expertise in multi-cloud Kubernetes environment is killer. Your niche is the interactions of what you are good at and what you enjoy and what make the market value. Find the sweet spot and go deep. This makes you a go-to expert and much harder to replace with journalistic AI. What can be actionable step here? Look at a job posting for senior staff level roles. What specializations are in high demand? See which one excite you and start learning more about them. Summary. AI is a tool, powerful one, but it's not a silver bullet. The future belongs to the engineers who are adaptable, strategic, and deeply skilled. What do you think? Which tips resonate you the most? Drop it in the comments below. I love to hear what you are doing to stay ahead of the curve. If you got value out of this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Future Tech Bytes for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep building the future. See you in the next video. Thank you.